One of the first games we like to play with kids is Hungry Numbers. And here's how it works. I've dealt out the cards from 0 to 5 in purple, the numerals, and I've also created a mix of those same cards in the teal and the blue suits. And the way this works is we just hand a card or let a child draw a card and say, oh, who should eat this card? Well, to know, there's 4 dots on this card, which we can count by hand if we need to. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's helpful sometimes to very slowly and calmly demonstrate how to actually do those counts for young children. This one is a great game for kids 3 and up. And if there's 4 dots, then 4 is the one who wants to eat it. And it says, nom, 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 and we can make the eating sound. Again, the fun of this is part of what kids really love. And then we just continue. Oh, who should eat this one? Well, 1 is hungry, and that is 1 dot. So, nom, 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 nom. And, oh, this one is for 2. So, nom, 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 nom. And we just keep going like this, nom, 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 until we get through all the cards. This is a really interesting one. There's 0 dots. So 0, the number 0 is the one who eats that. Just like with so many other important features of how numbers work, this game is underlining the idea that those numerals from 0 to 5 are representing multiple versions of arrangements of dots. So this is 2, this is 2, and this is 2, even though to a 3-year-old those look very different, they all have the same underlying unifying idea behind them. And this allows us to playfully make those connections and let kids have their brains and neural connections be formed so these things actually start to not just make sense, but become a kind of second nature. And that's what play allows us to do, is incorporate these understandings so they are second nature and not something we feel like we need to work at. A first game of this for a 3 or a 4-year-old might go from 0 to 5, or even from 0 to 3 or 0 to 2, depending on the child's comfort and familiarity with numbers. We want to start from a place where this feels easy and fun. Then, as we become more sophisticated at it, we might add in a 6, and we can continue going for as long as we want, all the way from 0 to 10, and adding in more difficult colors, more challenge. If you find that it stops being fun for your child, or it feels like it's too challenging too soon, there's no problem with just backing up and keeping it in a place where it is fun and easy and natural for the kid. The great thing about kids and play is that giving them a chance to play and be successful means they'll just do it again and again and again and naturally want to add in the challenge when it feels right to them.